today I'm going to explain the distance between 2 points. How we can find the distance between 2 points here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
so here I am taking, guys, look at the board. Look at monitor. Now, today we are going to find the distance between 2 points. Here I have taken this quadrant. Okay? So,
Yes, sir.
this is x-axis and this is y-axis. What the point?
Yes.
So I
Yes,
have
sir.
taken this point and this point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And can you say what is this point here?
It's 5, 3.
5 comma 3 or 3 comma 5?
Sir, it's 5, 3.
5 comma 3. Very good.
3.
And what about this point?
That's 18, 17.
Excellent. 18 comma 17. Now, this is 5 comma 3. Let us assume as A, and it is B. 18 comma 17. Okay. Let us
Yes.
take as a B point. Now let us draw the line segment now. Good point.
Yes, sir.
So we have drawn the line segment. Now we need to find the distance between A and B. What's the point? Let us find the
Yes.
distance between A and B here. So here, see, here is a line, red line. We need to find the distance of this line. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
So how can we find the
Yes.
distance of this line? See, we need to count all the boxes here. Just count from the y-axis. Just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and also here from here if you count then till here 18 are there. So from the means from the y-axis to this particular point there is 18 units distance, and only but we need to find the distance of only length of this red line. Is it fine or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, red line. So to find the distance length of this red line from the whole length means from ear to ear we need to subtract this distance. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the distance of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
How many units are there? 5
5
units are there.
units.
So that's why from 18 minus 5 is equal how many units, Nana? 13
13
units.
units.
Got the point? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
say, now I'm drawing a blue line now. Is it fine?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is the distance of this blue line? Can you say, Nana?
Sir, it is 18 minus 17, which is 14. No, it is 1, sir.
How, Nana? Say.
It's 15, sir.
I've understood here. How did we get 18 minus 30? 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. Here?
Yes, sir.
Here, see. From ear to ear, the distance of the point B from the x-axis is nothing but 17 units.
Yes, sir.
17 units. Now here
Units.
this distance is 3 units. Now the distance of this blue line is nothing but 70 minus 3 is equal to how much, Nana? 14.
14 units.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now that's it. Seventeen minus 3 is equal to 14 units. Then what is the need of finding this red line length and blue line length here? Let's see that. Now what I have seen, Nana, let us take as point as C. Using Pythagoras
Okay, sir.
theorem, we need to find this AB length. Is it fine? We need to find
Yes,
this.
sir.
Means why we are using Pythagoras theorem here? Why? Because
Because
it is in the form
forms a
of right angle triangle. Now AB is a hypotenuse. The required line
yes, sir.
segment is AB. That's length. To find its length, we need to use Pythagoras theorem. Got the point?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is Pythagoras theorem?
Hypotenuse square is equals to leg square plus leg square.
Hypotenuse square is equal to
Leg square plus leg square.
means base square plus height square. Okay. Here, what is hypotenuse here? AB square. AB square is
Square.
equal to what is the first leg? 13 and second leg is 14. That's why
That.
AB square is equal to 13 square plus 14 square. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
AB square is equal. How did we get 13 square and 14 square here? 13 is nothing but 18 minus 5 whole square, and 14 is nothing but 17 minus 3 whole square. Got the point? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the final answer? By sending the square to that side, now AB is equal to under root of 13 square plus 14 square. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, yeah. So, means here, how will we get that formula? Means we are deriving the formula now. See, the same, I'm taking uh, x1 comma y1, okay, and b x2 comma
Yes.
y2, and let's draw the line segment now. Got the point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the same, I'm drawing a red line. And what is the length, Nana? From here to
X2
here,
minus
x2
x1.
minus x1. Got the point? x2 minus x1.
Yes.
And let us draw the blue line. Then what would be the distance of this blue line? Length of the blue line?
Y2 minus
y2 minus y1. Got the point?
y1.
Now let's
Yes.
find AB. Now AB is equal y2 minus y1 whole square plus, sorry, AB square is equal y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Now have got how we can find how we can derive this formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now hence the formula length of AB or distance between A and B is nothing but AB is equal under root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
So by using this formula, we can find the distance between 2 points or the length of the line segments.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in this, like AB is equals to, we can reverse this, right? We can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yeah, we can write, for example,
Okay.
what is the value of 3 plus 5?
Sir,
3 plus 5
3 plus
value.
5 is 8.
5 plus 3?
8.
Okay,
8.
so it is nothing but commutative property, is not? So y2 minus
Yes,
y1
sir.
whole square is plus, and x2 minus x1 whole square is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it fine or not? Okay?
Yes, sir, it is fine.
Oh, yeah, we can write like this
Yes, sir.
also. 1 minute. This also can written as AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus and y2 minus y1 whole square. Nothing will be happening. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So nothing but
Yes, sir.
this cumulative property. So by using this formula, what we can find, Nana? We can find
We can put this between 2 points, any 2 points.
any 2 points. Between the points minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 6. Any doubt?
Yes.
Yeah.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Let's see now. Simply by using the formula. So the given points are minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 6. Okay. Given
Yes, sir.
points. So let us take as minus 1 comma 3 as x1 comma y1 and 2 comma minus 6 is x2 comma y2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula, Nana? Distance between, so the distance is equal, so the square
Root
root
of
of,
x, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
got the point? Now, what is the value of x2
Yes.
here? Let us substitute. So the is equal
Sir,
symbol must,
x2 is 2, sir.
uh, so this is equal symbol must be lie on the same line, Nana. Okay? It looks like, okay?
Yes,
So,
sir.
as we said, x2 is equal to minus x1.
Minus 1.
Yeah. So already there is minus in the formula. That's why I'm writing minus 1 in the bracket. So the whole bracket, whole square.
Yes.
Any doubts? Now,
No doubt,
what?
sir.
Now let us substitute the values of y2 and y1. What is the y2 value, Nana?
Sir, y2 is minus 6.
Very good. Minus 6 minus y1,
Y1 is 3, sir.
3 whole square. Now, the square root of, now see here minus into minus plus, so minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now what do you get here? 3 square and
Yes.
plus, and here minus 6 and minus 3, you should add them, and minus 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Now minus 9 whole square. Do you know this
Yes, sir.
application?
Yes, sir, I know it, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now let's see. Now let's continue this. Now the square root of 3 square is nothing but 9, and the plus
Yes, sir.
and
81.
minus 9 square is equal to 81. Okay, now and 81 plus 9 is how much, Nana?
90, sir.
90. Okay, so this we can write as
Yes.
under root of 9 into 10. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
the square root of 9 is 3, as we know that. Now 3 into under root of 10 units. Compulsory the distance or either area or perimeter. Compulsory we need to mention units. Okay. If the
Yes, sir.
measurements or dimensions are given in centimeters or meters, we have to do the same thing. Okay. That's the point. Yeah. So by using the distance formula, we can find the distance of the 2 point like this now. Got the point? Now let's see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's derive the midpoint of 2 points. What is the formula to find the midpoint of 2 points?
The midpoint is x1 plus x1 plus x2 by 2 and then y1 plus y2 by 2.
1 minute. Yeah. X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Can you say the
Yes.
can you say the same formula in words, Nana? Words.
No, sir.
You can't say.
Sir, if you want me to tell, I can see from the textbook and all, but then I can't tell it without saying.
No. Same formula. Okay. Same formula. Write on the notebook, Nana. Same formula we have to say in words.
Yes.
Words nothing but, for example, I think you might have gone to bank. For example, this is the number 1234. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many rupees I have down here?
1234.
1234. Can I say 1234 rupees?
No, sir.
No. So 1234 rupees. The same, however, we have pronounced in words the same thing. We have to say this formula in words. Can you say? Okay. What is x1? So is nothing but the x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2 is the formula to find the midpoint of the points a comma b, whose coordinates are x1 comma y1 and next
Y
x2
X
comma y2. Means x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are the coordinates of the point a comma b. Got the point? So here
yes,
x1 plus x2 means this x1 comma x2 are the x coordinates of 2 points. Am I correct?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So means x1 plus x2 means sum of, listen carefully now, sum of
Yes, sir.
x coordinates of 2 points. Got the point? And by 2. Look like this formula, I think it is mean formula. Got the point?
Yes,
Mean.
sir.
Average.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Average of x coordinates. Can I say this?
Yes, sir. You can.
Yeah. And this one, average of y coordinates.
Yes, sir.
Now, can we say the midpoint formula in terms of words?
Sum of x coordinates of 2 points by 2 and sum of y coordinates of 2 points by 2.
Nothing but average of x coordinates and average of y coordinates. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now that's simple. This. Now let's go into the formula. Yeah. Now, so what can you say the point A here? What is the point A?
It's 5 comma 3,
5 comma 3. Very good. This one,
18 comma 17.
same formula. Now, let us draw the line segment AB. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
so look at this horizontal length. Horizontal length. See, what is the horizontal length here?
It is, sir.
Very good. Already we have seen in the previous problem. Okay. So nothing but see 18 plus 5 by 2. How do we get 18 plus 5 by 2?
By adding them, sir.
By adding them. Means I have taken the uh, this one is 18 and this one is 5. Okay. See.
Yes, sir.
For example, this point is 5 comma 3. This point is
Yes,
5 comma 3.
5,
What is its x coordinate?
5, sir.
5. X coordinates is 5. Now what is x coordinate here? 18.
18.
Let's find the average of these two. 5 comma 18. How much, Nana? For 18 plus 5 by 2.
Yes,
18
sir.
plus 5 by 2. Nothing but 11.5. Sir, why there is need of finding average of these two? Already we have seen these two now. Why there is need of find? Then I will say explain. Okay? Nothing to worry. Don't worry. Don't
Yes,
confuse. Now, see. Exactly this is the midpoint of this line, is it not?
yes, sir.
Yeah, this is 11.5. And the next, look at this vertical length now. Let us draw the blue line now, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let us find the midpoint of these two. What is this? The y coordinate is 17 and y coordinate is 3. Like that, its average is nothing but 17 plus 3 by 2 is 10. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now 10. Okay? Now what do we do? See? Let us draw a line through the midpoint of this line, red line. Okay, got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us draw one more line of blue line. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now see, what is this one? See, it is its x coordinate is 11.5. It is y coordinate is 10. Is it for right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is this point, Nana? 11.5 comma 10.
Yes, sir.
11.5 comma 10. Got it?
Yes,
Any
sir. I
doubt?
got it. No
So
doubts.
nothing but Means what you are understanding? This 11.5 comma 10 is the midpoint of A and B. Midpoint of A and B.
Yeah.
So like this, we can prove geometrical proof of midpoint now. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Midpoint of AB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's find the derivation of formula. Okay. See, A comma nothing but we have taken out A 5 comma 3 nothing but x1 comma y1. Okay. Here 18 comma 17 is y1 comma sorry x2 comma y2. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
let us draw the line segment AB. Same look at its horizontal length. Now tell me what is its horizontal length means what is its
X2,
mid ah
it's 14 units and it is x2 minus x1.
no. I'm x2 minus x1. Okay. Let us see the midpoint of this line. That red one. In the previous
11.5.
no, it's 11.5. As we have assumed that this x1 comma y1, this x2 comma y2. Let's see. For example, this is x1 and y1. Okay, and this
Yes, sir.
is what is this? X2
X2
comma
y2.
y2. Now, the forget about 5 comma 3 and 18 comma 7. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, this is x1 and this is x2. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
would be the midpoint here exactly? We need to find the average of x1 comma x2, isn't it? What is the
Yes,
average of x1 comma x2? X1 plus
x1 plus
x2.
x2 by 2.
What's the point?
Yes,
X1
sir.
plus x2 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's check the vertical length now. Y1 plus y2 by 2. Next. So here might be the, this is the midpoint exactly. We can count these boxes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is nothing but 6.5, isn't it?
Sir, it
6
is.
1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. This 0.5 means in the middle of the exactly 7 point. Okay, that's why we have drawn a line here. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now, that's the same thing. Let us see the, let us go to the vertical length now. See, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means exactly 7th line, isn't it? Let's count. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
this is x1 plus x2 by 2. This is y1 plus y2 by 2. Now, let's see.
Yes.
Midpoint of AB. What is the midpoint of AB? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. By taking the example of I comma 3 and 18 comma 17, we have found the formula to find midpoint of 2 points. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Is it clear now explanation?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yeah. So now this is the class. In this class, what we have learned, Nana? We have learned that uh, how to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, how to find the distance between 2 points, and also we have learned that we have found the midpoints of 2 points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, midpoint of 2 points. Now let's see. Find the distance between 4 comma 7 and 6 comma 13. Distance between 4 comma 7 and 6 comma 13. Okay?
Yes, sir.
With the same formula we need to find, Nana. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Let's see the formula. Now let us take as 4 comma 7 point I am taking as A and B 6 comma 13. Okay. Now let us see that
Yes.
this is x1 comma y1 and this one is x2 comma y2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now let us find the distance here. Now already we know that the distance AB is equal to the formula the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yeah, Sushan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For
Yes.
example, in your examination, the question has come like this now. Please write it down.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down.
Yes, sir.
Who is your best friend? Huh?
Ananya.
Ananya. Okay, right now. Your best friend Ananya. Your best friend Ananya
Yes, sir.
wrote the formula of finding. Wrote the formula of finding distance
Yes.
between 2 points. Distance between the 2 points
Yes, sir.
x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 as
Yes, sir.
AB is equal to under root of
Okay, sir.
x1 minus x2 whole square
Yes.
plus y1 minus y2 whole square. She wrote like this.
Yes, sir.
Uh, do you agree with Ananya, your best friend Ananya?
No, sir. I disagree with it.
So, just to confirm me whether Ananya wrote wrong answer or right answer.
Sir, she wrote wrong answer.
Okay, what is the correct answer, Nana?
Sir, distance of AB of points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
So she wrote as
She wrote it as distance of AB of 2 points x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square.
what was the difference between them?
Here, sir, she put the x coordinate of point. She put x coordinate of point B first, and then I put the x coordinate of point A. No, she put the x coordinate of point A first, and then I put the x coordinate of point B.
Okay, fine. So Anya wrote correct, so wrong answer. So she made mistake.
Yes, sir.
Who is your math teacher?
Ramesh, sir.
But Ramesh sir said it is correct. Do you agree with Ramesh sir?
I don't.
You don't agree with your math sir?
No, sir.
Why?
I want to know the reason.
Okay. Okay, you leave it, Ramesh sir. But Naresh sir is also saying correct answer. Do you agree with Naresh sir?
I agree, sir, but I need to know where, like, how is it correct?
No. How do you agree without know the reason? You don't know the reason why it is correct, whether it is correct or not. You don't know. Okay, but you are saying you are trusting that Ananya made wrong answer. Okay, that's fine. Very good. You are able to thinking. But Naresh Reddy sir and Ramesh sir, both masters are accepting her answer. But why don't you accept? Just think about it. Whether Naresh Reddy sir and Ramesh sir made mistakes along with Ananya or Sushan made mistake.
Sir, just give me a few minutes, sir. I'll
Sure,
do
sure.
it.
Why not? Why not? I will give the minutes.
Sir, can I tell by taking an example, sir?
Yeah, we can. We can. Even we can write on
Sir,
your screen also. I can see it.
okay, sir. Sir, I'll just read it out, sir. There are 2 points, sir. A is 5, comma 3, and B is 6, comma 7. And then is x1 and y1. X1 is 5, x2 is 6, y1 is 3, and y2 is 7. Suppose if we take, like as Ananya said, if we take x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 5 minus 6 whole square. And if we take, according to this, according to my formula, if I take x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 6 minus 5 whole square. 1 minute, I'll be getting minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Sir, she's correct only, sir.
Very good. Very good. Why it is correct? Why?
If we get an, like, after subtracting both the x coordinates of point A and B, if we get a negative number, on squaring it, we'll get a positive number, right?
Excellent. So as there is a square, the difference, if it is negative, okay, it may makes positive, is not? Why? Because as there is a square, okay, got the point. So that's why this formula can written in these two forms: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square, sorry, under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now got it, Nana? But do you agree with
Yes,
Ananya?
yes, I agree, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Very good, very good. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. So let us solve the formula now. Okay. So sorry, problem. I'm rubbing. I think one formula is enough. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, is equal to under root of, what is the value of x2, Nana?
Sir, x2 is 6, sir.
6 minus x1,
4.
4 whole square plus y2,
13.
13 minus y1,
7.
7 whole square. I think I have the dirty handwriting, okay?
Doesn't matter, sir.
Yeah. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to how much, Nana?
2, sir. 2 whole square.
2 whole square. Now plus 13 minus
6.
7.
6 whole square, sir.
Very good, you got subtraction. Now, so under root of 2 whole square is nothing but 4, and 6 square is equal to 36.
6.
6 square is 36 or 12?
36, sir.
But your friend Ananya is wrote 12 then. Do you agree with Ananya?
I don't agree, sir.
Why?
The 6 square is 36 and 6 twos is 12.
Ananya is best friend.
I know it,
You
sir.
don't support your best friend?
I don't, sir.
Very good. So 6 square is nothing but the product of 6 two times. Okay. Now very good.
Yes, sir.
Now 4 plus 36 how much, Nana? 40.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now the square root of 40 is nothing but we can write as 4 into
10.
10. Now the square root of 4 is 2. now 2 under root of t. Okay, so
Yes.
2 root 10 units. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can I give some problems to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write it now. Find the distance between find the distance between
Yes, sir.
2 points 2 points
Yes, sir.
0 comma 7
Yes, sir.
8 comma 0.
Okay, sir.
Do it now. Do it now and say me now.
Okay, sir.
So the find the distance between find the distance between 0 comma 7 8 comma 0. Then we need to solve this. Okay, where
Yes.
this is x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. Okay, now the
Yes, sir.
formula directly I'm writing here. AB is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1, nothing but 8 minus 0 is 8, so 8 square plus, and 0 minus 7 minus 7 whole square. What about directly I'm writing without writing the formula. Okay, now 8 square is 64, and 7 square minus 7 square is nothing but 49. Minus it minus plus. Now
Yes.
64 plus 49, how much now?
113.
Very good. So what is the formula? Under root of 113 units.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So directly, so I'm asking the questions to you.
Yes, sir.
Shall I ask?
Yes, sir.
So what is the number of row of your bench?
Number of rows in our bench, sir.
Your bench.
11 or 10, sir.
Oh my God, 11th bench you are sitting? You are sitting in the 11th bench?
Not, I'm sitting in 10th bench, sir.
10th bench. So
Yes, sir.
exactly, who is your the friend or your classmate sitting beside you?
It's Valli, sir.
Wally. Is she your best friend or enemy?
No, friend only, sir.
Friend only, very good. So you trust her? Yeah, very good. So your Wally said that, okay, the 0 comma 7 is the point which lies on x-axis. Do you agree with her?
No, sir, I don't.
Why? Just now you said Wally is best friend.
Because it lies.
Huh?
She's not my best friend, sir.
Huh? Only
Sir, because
friend.
it lies on the y-axis and
Because?
it lies on the y-axis and not in the x-axis.
Why, Nana? Why?
Because it is 0, 7. 0 is at the x-axis and 7 is on the y-axis.
0 is not x-axis, x coordinates, x component, you have to say, okay?
Yes, sir.
Means as x coordinate is 0, so the point 0 comma 7 lies on y-axis. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay? And 8 comma 0
Lies on the x-axis.
means here whenever the formula, whenever there is need of necessary of finding distance between, sorry, the distance between a comma 0 Right. A comma 0. Pen pen. So A comma 0 and B comma 0. Whenever the points are like this, A comma 0 and B comma 0, okay? Now means X coordinate the first one and second coordinate is this one. Whenever we have A comma 0 and B comma 0, the formula can I write as A square plus B square? Just compare this. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Shall I?
Yes.
Am I correct? Sushan, Sushan, you have unmuted. Please mute. Sorry,
Oh, yes.
unmute yourself. Next. Is it correct answer?
It is correct, sir.
Correct only. See once again. Apply the formula. Apply the formula, Nana. Sushan.
Yes, sir.
Apply the formula.
No, sir.
No. Very good. First you said yes.
Yes, sir. I took wrong values.
Yeah, very good. So can I write the same formula? I'm writing right. The answer I am saying that A minus B, is it correct?
Sir, it is B minus C whole square. I'm getting it at, sir.
B minus
Yes, sir.
B minus A whole square. Huh?
Under root, sir.
Very good. So you have got B minus A whole square. So the square and square root will get cancellation. Okay. Both are
Yes,
enemies.
sir.
Now what is the answer? B minus
B minus
A. B minus A.
A.
Okay. Is it correct answer?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this case, it is okay. Now, what is this? X2 minus X1. By taking X2 minus X1, you have taken B minus A. But say, can I write the formula as A minus B whole square, X1 minus X2 whole square? Now, whenever there is square and root and square get cancellation, what is the answer? A minus B. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
By taking X1 minus X2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so like this, we need to think. Yeah, the next problem. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining 0, 7, 8, 0.
Yes, sir.
What is the midpoint of this one?
Sir, I got
So The midpoint of 0, comma 7, 8, comma 0 is nothing but the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 means average of x coordinates, comma average of y coordinates. Again, that it's time to bring your best friend Anya. Shall I bring?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So your maths sir asked her what is the formula to find the midpoint of line segment joining x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. But
Yes.
she said that x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. Do you agree with your question?
So just give me a minute. I'll try it. Yes, sir. That is also correct.
Correct only. Okay. No need of Salnana, it's commutative property, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Commutative property. What is commutative property? A plus B is equals B
B
plus
plus.
A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So x1 plus x2 is equal x2 plus x2. That's all. Okay. So we can write yes. So x1 plus x2 is nothing but here say I'm wrapping the second form problem. Now let us substitute. So here let us take as this is x1 and y1 and x2 y2. Now x1 means nothing but 0 plus 8 by 2 comma y1 is nothing but 7 plus
7.
7 plus y2 is 0 by 2. Now here 8 by 2, 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 by 2 is nothing but 4 and 7 plus 0 is 7 by 2 is nothing but, can I write 3.5
Yes, sir.
or 7 by 2? Okay.
Yes.
So this is the midpoint. Okay. And also one more friend I am bringing here. Okay. Shall I bring?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So in the same, your master asked her to find the midpoint of 0, comma A and B, comma 0. Then what is
Yes.
the answer? Don't say. Just let me ask question. Okay. Now
Okay,
she
sir.
said that B by 2, comma A by 2. Do you agree with your best friend only? Sorry, so I think she is not your best friend. Only just friend.
Yes, sir.
So you agree with Wally?
Yes, sir.
She is not your best friend now. Why do you agree? Okay, Ananya, she is best friend. Okay, you agree with her. But she, Wally is not best friend yours.
Sir, here because if we take x1 and x2 and y1 by y2, you'll get b by 2 and a by 2. If you reverse it also, it's commutative property, so you'll get the same answer.
Very good. Okay. Now keep aside your pen and paper. Close your eyes. Okay. Now don't close. Okay. Only just whenever I say, just close your eyes. Now, your Ananya is asking doubt to you. What is the Now just see that 0, comma 13, 17, comma 0. Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem? 0, comma 13, 17, comma 0. Okay. What is its midpoint? Your Ananya is asking. Without using pen and paper, you need to say the answer.
Sir, could you just repeat the points?
0, comma 13. Something I'm getting noise from your home. 0, comma 13, 17, comma 0.
Yes, sir. First point is 17 by 2 and the second point is 13 by 2.
13 by 2. Very good. So without using pen and paper, you are saying 17 by 2, 13 by 2. Means nothing but directly your Ananya said that the answer is 8.5, comma 6.5. Do you agree with Ananya? Open your eyes.
Yes, sir.
Got the point? Okay. Means no need of solving, no need of pen. Directly you can write the answer. Yeah. Got the point, Nana? Okay. Write it. So like this, you need to say that. Okay. So like this, what you do? Just listen carefully. You create your own problems on finding of line segment, length of the line segment, and finding a midpoint of. Okay, we can create your own problem. Own problems on length of line segment, own problems on midpoint. Okay, totally the 5 problems on length of line segment, 5 problems on midpoint of line segment. Okay, and you need to solve today and next for till the next class. You need to and just capture the photo and send to me in the WhatsApp. Got the point? Okay, Susan.
Yes.
Okay, so I will wait. I will wait for your assignment. This is my first assignment. Okay, what do you do? 5 problems on what is this? On length of line segment, and the 5 problems on midpoint. Yeah, and
Yes.
one more thing, you must not take help from your mother or your sisters or any textbook, any Google, anything. Completely, you need to take your mind. Okay, got the point? Do you promise me? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay, don't take
Yes.
help from your friends and everyone, and don't take any textbook, any guide, any Google, any internet. Only just by your own knowledge, just create the problems. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
When can I expect your answers in my WhatsApp?
Tomorrow in the class.
Tomorrow in the class. So till tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
the same morning 7 to 8, you will have the class morning session. Okay, till morning session, you need to send your assignment. Got the point or not?
Yes, sir.
Not in the class, before the class only. Why? Because I need to verify whether you done correct or not. Okay.
Then can I send it to you by the evening? Because morning I get up for other subject also.
What do you do in the evening session today evening?
Sir, I have we need to submit the activities today, sir. 5 activities. So